Yes, come on, come on. What on my wall? That's a fan which is not on. Hi, oh hi, hi. Come on, guys. Hi. Okay. There are new people here. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Yeah, let them join. Let them join. Oh, that's Ghanta Babaji ka and some statues. I. Oh, nice, nice. Keep on joining. Keep on joining. We'll start. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Hi, 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 Anuj. Hi, Rohan. Hi, hi. They are new guys. Rajiv Shetty. Okay. Maverick Soul. Okay. Hi. Let them walk in. Let them come in. Ashu, we be ready. Okay, I'll start my session. I'll introduce you guys. A short introduction of these two. This is a couple, and this is a couple, and which is like they have taken their partnership beyond their married life and beyond their business and to the adventure sports. So, how an adventure sports enthusiast can be like kind of together, be together on treks, in biking, on biking, and everywhere. So it's a perfect example, and both of them enjoys. It's not like wife says, okay, I don't want to come, मेरे को नहीं आना है साथ में. वैसे तो कभी नहीं होता है. So she also participates in with an equal enthusiasm. So I'll just get Ashutosh Sharma. His name is Ashutosh Sharma. Okay. Ashutosh Sharma. Yes, here. Yes. Hi. और थोड़ा vertical ले ले.
वर्टिकल लूं?
Yeah. That's how. She's hi. दोनों फिट हो रहे हैं एक ही फ्रेम में. चलेगा. Okay, how's my volume?
Are you audible?
Audible?
Yeah.
Audible. So this is a couple of this people about 2 years back.
Yeah.
We met 15 years back.
We met in 2005.
Oh, that's perfectly 15 years back.
Yeah.
Ash used to work with me. And many guys. Man, just check my volume. Right.
ये थोड़ा ब्रेक होके आ रहा है, but ठीक है. I mean that's manageable.
Okay.
Hi Rajesh.
Hi guys. This Ashutosh Sharma, ex-advertiser. He's his own ad agency, and Renu.
Renu is here right now.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. So this lovely couple, I know them for last years, but I know her for that. Is that so?
6 years.
Renu? 6 years old. 6 years ago. People think. Okay. Never real.
Yeah.
So we started coming for drinks, except one scuba diving. That's a different type of beer. Tell us.
Yeah. So you know my journey started with you only. Firstly in Bombay, mainly Maharashtra. My trekking journey started with you guys only when we met in the ad agency. After that, so before that I used to go to trek, but mostly on solo trips like Amarnath and all that I had done. तो फिर सीरियस ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट हुआ अपन लोगों के साथ में जब when I found a group यहाँ पर बॉम्बे में with you guys.
Okay.
उन्होंने नाम नहीं दिया था तेमुरलंग ट्रेकर, लेकिन तब तक हम लोग चालू कर चुके थे ट्रैकिंग.
Oh, is it so? Oh, is it so?
या तब तक कोई नाम नहीं दिया था ना अपन ने.
I said of 20.
Yeah, it's like almost 15 years we have been doing this.
Okay, nice. So,
Sorry?
memorable trek in Sahyadris for you.
Yeah, Sahyadri. सबसे पहले first track we went for was Gorakhgarh track.
Okay.
And Gorakhgarh के बाद में we did a lot of tracks. Then Prabalgarh we had done this Konkan Kada we have done Bhima Shankar track. Then we have done Viramgam. There was some Visapur track we had done, and we had done Sandan Valley.
Okay.
And lot of others also, like Kalsubai.
Okay, so
We've done night tracks also.
Which is a memorable trek for you?
The most memorable was Bhima Shankar, because Renu wasn't there and I fall ill after that. मेरे को डेंगू हो गया था Bhima Shankar से वापस आके.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Yeah.
Bhima Shankar भगवान है.
She couldn't join the track. She was like वो इंदौर गई हुई थी. And हमारी शादी तब नहीं हुई थी. And that was my first track after marriage, and she wasn't there. And वापस आया था तो मुझे डेंगू हो गया था 2 दिन के बाद Bhima Shankar से आके.
भगवान जी का शंकर
बोल सकते हैं. लेकिन the memorable was like because we had traveled whole through the night. The entire track was like very difficult. That entire day which we traveled was like pretty tough.
Okay.
And we were traveling up around this, if I'm not wrong, this September month, in the August-September month, monsoon month.
Okay, it was a Borgiri Bhima Shankar.
Yeah. I think that was CD वाला कौन सा आता है ना घाट वहाँ पे? That was
CD
that gets difficult. CD घाट वाले रास्ते.
So it wasn't Borgiri Bhima Shankar. It was a CD.
नहीं CD घाट हमने रास्ते में देखा था. तो from there we had climbed up from there.
Okay, is it so?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is one track which was memorable. Then तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Come and बाबा दोनों का साथ का है. She is going like side में कि नहीं पहले तुम बोल लो टाइप. तुम नहीं दोनों का है. तुम्हारा भी memorable track बोलना है.
Mine was the first track which I did with you people, Harishchandragarh.
Oh, nice. When was it? Okay.
We climbed 2 mountains and crossed it. Harishchandragarh.
Okay.
Harihar Fort.
It was Harihar Fort.
Oh, Harihar Fort. Okay, is it so?
Yeah.
So that was Renu's first track with us.
You don't put pressure on your brain. It's okay.
Fish. So actually,
He did force me. I wanted to go.
Oh, nice.
And he told me it's a difficult one. It's a 2-day trek. You've not done it. So I said no, I'll do it. So when we went for our honeymoon to Bali, we climbed Mount Batur. That time I wasn't prepared, but I still climbed.
Wow.
This is insane.
So this is like happened in our honeymoon. We went for Bali. And in Bali, we decided to do all the adventure activities from the beginning itself. So we did we did rafting, trekking and all. So there was this volcano where you can climb up in the Mount Batur.
Okay.
So I had my trekking shoes with me. Sports shoes थे मेरे पास. रेनू के पास में नहीं थे. But we still decided कि we will go. She like I'll manage in the pump. And she wear those pump shoes, and then that first trek together we did was that Mount Batur volcano track. And she managed to do it. That was the time when I knew okay, now we will always be enjoying this trekking and everything because she enjoys all the adventure activity.
Nice.
That was my test. It was not a honeymoon, it was a test whether I'll be able to do adventure or not.
This guy. Right?
Yeah.
Jump to mark. Right? Okay.
So we were trying out what all we can do together there, and then we decided we'll do trekking regularly because I was already connected with you guys. We used to go for treks.
Okay.
So then she might do it. And the good thing was she liked it, even her sister liked it. So we all like started becoming part of Temur Langur.
Okay.
राजेश मैंने खुद ने काटे मेरे बाल.
Sorry.
राजेश is asking, Renu cut your hairs. मैंने कहा नहीं हमने मैंने खुद ने काटे.
खुद ने काटे फिर ठीक है. घर पे चप्पी नहीं की है तुमने.
पीछे के बाल के लिए.
घर पे चप्पी नहीं की है उसने पूरी.
नहीं अभी वो तो रोज होती है ना, बाकी है धीरे-धीरे.
बाकी है
अब
ना.
लगता है इसका कुछ हो सकता है.
वो अभी मैं बोल नहीं सकता अभी सबके सामने. Public social media, so I can't say anything.
ये भी है.
Okay, so tell me what I say out. Stays together. Okay. Bless you guys. And every. So you started your treks or after jogging?
Your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Is that fine now? Just
Yeah.
right now. Okay. ठीक है अभी. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है अभी.
Yeah, better.
Okay. So your biking started before you joined the trek or is after that?
It's after that only. I mean, see, biking क्या होता है, साल में एक आध बार ही होता है. मतलब अगर होता है possibly long road, long drive के लिए अगर एक ट्रिप लेना है तो. So mostly trekking first है, always है, because trekking हम लोग साल में करीब 3-4 तो कर ही लेते थे. तो अभी इन दिनों थोड़ा कम है, but पहले तो we used to go at least 4-5 treks with all of us together.
Okay.
So biking in between keeps happening like once in a while type. Within a year or couple of years we plan one biking trip together.
Okay. So which are the trails you have been now?
Biking trips?
Biking trips.
So we have done like 3-4 biking trips together.
We've done Run of Kutch.
We have done Run of Kutch.
Mumbai to Run of Kutch. Then we have done Leh Ladakh. So we shipped our bikes to Jammu and from there we rode to Leh. And then we went to all these places. Pangong Lake and the what's that hill? That desert. Nubra Desert.
Nubra.
Yeah, and then we came to Chandigarh via Manali.
Okay. And what is your
And
So our
this
first
journey was very memorable because our bike broke down so many times and we've traveled in trucks also and it was so much of fun. It was feeling like highway.
So this was your which one was that?
So the first one was Kutch. No, the first one we did was Kutch, Run of Kutch.
Okay.
So because Gujarat road are like really good and everything is fine, so we did Pillion without any issues.
Okay.
So that was like the first bike trip which we did. And then later on, second time we tried was the Leh Ladakh one.
Okay. And
Because our previous experience,
bike you are riding?
I have Thunderbird, Royal Enfield Thunderbird.
Thunderbird. So you always been riding on a.
That has been my bike forever. अभी भी है, अभी भी चलती है.
चलती है ना.
बढ़िया.
मेरी तो good you are riding on that.
मेरे पास में 11 साल से है वो बाइक.
That's what I remember. I don't know another trek on a bike.
So the Leh trip was like the best one which she was saying now. That was like we planned properly and we were like looking forward to it type. Gujarat happened impromptu, but Leh was like properly planned. So we planned tickets and everything. We sent the bike to Jammu, train se, and then from Jammu we picked up. Yeah. So there was this incident जब जम्मू से ना हम लोग जा रहे थे towards Leh. So there was like weather was like really bad in between.
Okay.
So we had stayed at where we stayed?
Kelong.
No. जाते time we stayed.
Jammu.
So जाते time ना we stayed नहीं. So this was like अमरनाथ वाला route है ना. तो सोनमर्ग के वहाँ पर भी तो सोनमर्ग. So we had like सोनमर्ग पे landslide हो रखा था और बहुत ज़्यादा कीचड़ और बारिश हो रखा था.
We were stuck for almost 3 nights there.
So we had to go on bike and we were crossing through bike, and suddenly, you know what happened? There was like huge traffic jam. So we could carry the bike from the side slowly. And during the rain, no, what happened? I took a wrong turn. I supposed to take a left. By mistake, I took the right turn. And there was like slush on the road, lot of mud on the road. And suddenly, na, my bike got stuck in the muck, complete mud. So my bike got stuck, and there's this. All the drivers started shouting. You know, all the drivers started shouting, गाली वाली दे रहे हैं सब मेरे को. एकदम से मैडम उतरती है, पीछे से कूदती है नीचे, and she starts pulling the bike back.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And I'm just wondering what to do, and she started pulling it back. कि just पीछे खींचो, निकल जाएंगे करके. And she pulled the entire bike back, and then I took the right. Then I had to take the left turn. So then, you know what she did? Then there was a car coming in from the behind. So she sit in that car, and then I took that bike. I crossed that bike in that muck.
Okay.
So she's like very sharp that way, very quick.
नहीं रेणु तू ऐसे
नहीं मौका नहीं मिला ना दिखाने का.
How could you
He gave me a chance.
So how could you
I know
pull the
how to
bike?
ride.
How could you pull the bike? With
No, that was
sitting on
sudden
it.
even I couldn't see. I wasn't able to move the bike, but she pulled it. Like I was like surprised.
Oh, is it?
It was completely dark and it was like little horrifying. You don't know so people, and there were like lots of crowd because people were stuck for almost 3 nights there.
Oh my
And since
goodness.
we were lucky to be there on our bikes, so we could cross at the same time. So we hardly took 45 minutes to cross that jam.
Okay. So Mansi was telling any memories of Pagal Nalas?
Pagal Nalas, oh, lots of. We got that Pagal Nala that we were going to this Pangong Lake, no?
Yeah.
So we have a very big story around this Pangong Lake. In any case, we are going for a long session, so I can tell you that story.
There was a
Yeah. So we were coordinating all our trips from Leh. So first we went to Nubra from Leh.
Okay.
Once we reached Leh, we stayed the next day. We left for Nubra. In Nubra, you know, while coming back, one of my bike suspension broke down.
Oh, fish. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So suspension broke down. So we towed the bike from Nubra Valley to Leh that day. ठीक है. And we got it managed. सारा शॉकअप वगैरह replace करा दिया. Next trip के लिए bike ready है. Now next trip we had to do the Pangong Lake.
Okay.
So Pangong Lake हम लोगों को जाना है, but because my bike got late, like because of the repairing around, we got late. So थोड़ा late निकले हम लोग. And on the way, we crossed like these, you know, if you are leaving like Leh in the morning, like after 9 o'clock, then all the nalas you're gonna get is like with full water flow.
Yeah.
So if you don't want that, you have to leave early morning, like 5:36. You have to leave from Leh if you don't want those things. So I was aware, but then we had taken chance ki no, we don't have extra days, so it might as well leave for Pangong and we'll see what to do.
Right.
So हम लोग निकले Pangong, we have crossed almost like, you know, most of the patch. Then this pass come, no? Which pass? Kardungla. So Kardungla, we crossed Kardungla, and as soon as we cross Kardungla, we can see from the right on the top of the mountain, we can see the valley. Now the valley, you know, we can see all these clouds, dark clouds.
Right.
And we know in distance it's gonna rain in the distance. It's gonna be really, you know, crazy. And it's freezing, very cold.
Right.
And so हमने क्या किया? We crossed like few nalas and all. Sorry, yes, Raja Changla, correct.
Changla.
I was getting confused. So it wasn't, it was Changla.
Raja Changla है.
राजा ने लिख दिया सही. I was trying to remember that only. So Changla जब cross किया ना हमने, उसके बाद में ना थोड़ा हम लोगों को लगा कि यार what we do, should we get back or should we go in, because you can see right the thunderstorm right in front of your eyes.
And on top of that, we got a flat tire of the bike.
Oh my God.
That's army wala people have.
That happened later, no, after that. So पहले तो we got this thunderstorm. ठीक है, we have to get ready. अभी now अब जाना ही जाना है. So there was one friend of mine, he said कि let's go.
Okay.
I was like okay, let's go. So we started in that. So हमने बरसाती वगैरह पहन लिया, सारा बाइक वगैरह कवर किया, and then we started. And we are actually literally, entering into this thunderstorm just like movies you see, no? Gradually, it started raining. Then those water like बारिश ना एकदम चुभने लगता है हाथ में, gloves के अंदर से जा रहा है. So it's all piercing effect and all. You feel that, and then you suddenly hear this sound, cloud का lightning. And तभी डर ये लगता है कि जितना भी आप क्रॉस कर रहे हो, एक तो रोड बहुत सकरा है.
Right.
And you never know कहाँ से पानी ज्यादा आएगा, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. You never know that.
Okay.
So ये सब क्रॉस करके हम निकले हैं. अभी हमने गांव क्रॉस किया और मेरा बाइक का टायर पंचर हो गया.
Oh shit. Okay.
पंचर हो गया.
Little Barsati's raincoat.
We were carrying. I was carrying pump tak, like electric pump to fill air also in the tire. We had tubes also. But unfortunately, जहाँ हमारा breakdown हुआ ना गाड़ी का, वहाँ ऐसा हुआ pump is not working. My pump was like faulty or something. It wasn't working. And another friend of mine was there. So he was like, let's do something. कुछ करते हैं, जल्दी करते हैं. Non. So suddenly we got this military guy coming in. So we asked them for help. उन्होंने हमारी गाड़ी का पंचर बनाया. अब ये सब करते करते ना लेट हो गया. रात को मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 5:30-6 बज गया है. अगर हम निकलते तो आगे हमको अंधेरा हो जाता पैंगोंग जाने के लिए.
Right.
So I tried convincing my friend कि आज रहने देते हैं. We will go in the morning and फिर we'll get late. तो एक दिन ले में हम एक्स्ट्रा निकाल देंगे.
They wanted to pitch tents.
And we were carrying our tents also. Pangong. So we wanted to pitch tents also. So we were carrying our tents also with us.
See, they were carrying pumps, they were carrying gas, they were carrying so many cameras, they were carrying me, they were carrying tents. Bike तो टूटना ही था ना?
Of course. और तू तो ज़्यादा heavy नहीं, बाकी लोग
नहीं, reason तो मैं ही है दादा.
तभी होती थी ज़्यादा, अभी नहीं.
Experience, right? Because pillion rider doesn't do. He just had to see. Pillion rider had to go for long trips.
I maintain safe distance, like social distancing.
Oh, there also.
Direct. Yeah. I don't fall. I help him with directions.
No,
that is weird. Like so what we used to do na, अगर if she's getting bored या I'm getting bored na, we used to sing songs together.
Okay.
We used to make our own song. So if we are riding and if we are not like, we know it's a long ride and we have to go long way, so we just to entertain each other we used to sing.
Oh, nice.
Because nobody can hear, no?
And nobody can hear.
That's right.
So we used to sing like that. So and in between she'll either she'll feed me something on riding only continuously, or we'll talk, or we'll just
And
sometimes won't say anything also for long rides.
It's like being a pillion, I can enjoy the scenery more and I feel more calm. It feels like a meditation.
That's right.
There's nobody to disturb you.
Yeah, true. And if you handle camera, pillion rider.
In the end of the session I'll sing.
Good.
So the thing is that rider you get opportunity to shine. And you right?
So she becomes the official camera person in any case. If she's sitting behind, that means she's handling the camera most of the time.
Okay. Oh, Mansi is smiling. She's the pillion rider.
No. So the having pillion is good because वो incident जो मैं आपको कह रहा था ना पागल नाला वाला, वहाँ पर भी she was very helpful in that also. So हम लोग क्रॉस करने वाले थे, suddenly ना we realized, so in the night we started, after पंचर बन गया ना, तो उसके बाद हमने start किया. और हमको अंधेरे में ना suddenly एक stop ऐसा आया, जगह ऐसा है जहाँ हमको लगा कि आगे रोड ही खत्म हो गया.
Okay.
It was like flowing like a river. There's a mountain on this side and there's a lot of water falling on the road and it's just falling down on the other side. So you don't realize whether it's a waterfall or there's a way other side. Is this the right path? So we almost
Right.
struggled for 20 minutes standing there to figure out whether we are on the right path, and across this so-called Nala, there is the right path towards Pangong.
एक्चुअली जो मुंबई में चलाते हैं मौसम में यहाँ पे ऑटो
No, but this was like problem क्या था ना, अंधेरा था. The biggest problem was it was dark. So you for sure you know कि on your left you have like direct drop है. और राइट में सामने कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है because पानी गिर रहा है और you can see just पत्थर वगैरह पड़े हुए हैं टाइप. तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आगे रोड है भी कि साफ हो गई है. पता पड़ा हम उतरे, हम भी निकल लिए पानी के साथ.
और पता नहीं कहाँ पे पहुंच
She got down from the bike. Then she got down from the bike. She took the torch with her. उसने आगे जाके चेक किया. So then it was like थोड़ा बम्प बने हुए हैं. So there is like road है कुछ तो. So then हमने क्या किया, ये आगे खड़े हुए. ये आगे खड़ी हुई, फिर हम बाइक लेके गए ऊपर. फिर बाइक का लाइट मार के आगे देखा तो आगे फिर वापस सेम दिखा. फिर इन लोगों को पैदल क्रॉस करवाया. देन अगेन बाइक लेके गए आगे तो फिर दिखा पूरा क्लियर रूट है.
ओके
So that was like shit scary situation.
Please continue.
We add the adventures by getting late.
No, but that is a very common thing.
Yeah.
Brother Rajesh has a question.
It's fun.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. So is it
How
comfortable?
comfortable? Yeah, it's comfortable. I think you need to be sure, like if my knee is paining, I can straighten it without disturbing him or stopping the bike.
But as a backrest or anything,
No, nothing as such.
बाइक में तो बैकरेस्ट तो है but
Backrest? No, back.
छोटा सा.
No, I don't have such. It's nothing so tiring. I said no, I can meditate sitting behind the bike.
Oh, right. But so नहीं आती थी ना meditate करते.
नहीं. The bike never fell because of me like that.
So those were the fantastic memories of that.
what is the fantastic memory? So this was like while we were coming back. So my bike was having like terrible time in Ladakh. For some reason, I wasn't able to get what is going wrong with it. So हम return आ रहे थे वहाँ से लद्दाख से towards मनाली. So in पांग में क्या हुआ, पांग के थोड़ा पहले मेरे बाइक का दूसरा सस्पेंशन फिर टूट गया था. And we couldn't carry on. So हमारे साथ जो थे वो पहले ही निकल गए थे. और हम दोनों का कैसा हो रहा था ना, बाइक कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम दे रहा था. तो ये एक बार वापस टूटा सस्पेंशन ना, तो हमने वहां से वापस टो किया. तो हमको टो करने के लिए पांग तक का ही मिला हमको. तो पांग में हमने रात निकालने का ट्राई किया कि नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग हमको ट्रक वगैरह कुछ हायर करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गो. सो मैंने वो बाइक धीरे धीरे चलाया. शी गॉट शिफ्टेड इन सम अदर व्हीकल एंड वी रीच्ड पांग. So Pang mein it was freezing, like -3, -4, it was freezing.
It was freezing cold, freezing. We slept with our biker's jacket and boots. It was so cold.
That's pretty bad.
Very cold.
No, it was that cold. So we were like, and it was like वहाँ open tent होता, mostly वहाँ खुला रहता है. मतलब they have the surface also is like वो पत्थर के ऊपर में वैसे है, तो उन्होंने 1-2 गद्दा डाल रखा है. But वहाँ ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो you know the problem. Like you have been to Ladakh yourself. So it's like very icy cold. तो हमने रात को ना कहीं से rum arrange हो गया, लेकिन मेरे लिए.
Okay.
So then I had rum, but and then I was able to like sleep off. And in the morning what we got lucky was like we found a truck.
Okay.
So we found a truck. तो हमने गाड़ी में ना ट्रक में अपना बाइक लगा रख दिया है. And then we also sat with the bike only in the back of the truck. And that was the most memorable in the sense, I had never seen such a journey. Like I've never been on such kind of journey where like I was just not able to sit still at all. 1 minute भी आप सीधा नहीं बैठ सकते.
That route till Kelong was like all uphill, downhill. I mean, it was totally bad. And that too on top of a truck.
It was crazy. So
It was interesting.
So what we realized was like कि ट्रक में पीछे बैठे ना ज्यादा धक्के लग रहे, तो हमने सोचा हम आगे बैठ जाते हैं. हम ट्रक में आगे जाके बैठे दोनों. And you sit on the truck like एकदम straight. And it's like the windshield is very close to you, so you see the direct falls. So you see that direct, okay, there is this fall, there is this turn, there is this. And then constantly you are like shaking in the truck.
because of the road.
So that was like the time when I felt like first time I felt scared in a way, wasn't comfortable and I was so scared sitting in front. I was like, I'll go back only.
नहीं और सामने दिखता है वो और सामने नीचे टॉप दिखता है.
Correct. So I wasn't comfortable with that. तो मैंने कहा पीछे जाके बैठता हूँ.
Okay. So
Kellogg तक हम ट्रक में आए थे.
sorry.
That was the most memorable.
Please.
So that was the most memorable thing. Yeah.
So what is the preparation? You took care before things you carry.
See, preparation wise we did lot of things actually. Like so beforehand we knew कि bike वगैरह ready करा के bike में you have to get those luggage carrier and all that वो सब लगा के everything we got it done and we sent bike by train.
Okay.
To Jammu.
Okay.
And we started purposely from Jammu because we wanted to get down from the Manali side.
Okay. That route.
So usually what is said is when you climb from Manali, usually you gain altitude very quickly.
Right.
So if you're not comfortable in that kind of environment, then it gets really tricky. You have to come back again. From Manali, you can't go ahead towards Leh because the climb is altitude high is like very quick. So we gain altitude gradually going Jammu, Srinagar, Jammu route.
Okay.
So from there, Baltal and all hote hue, we went from there that route. And that route was more comfortable in terms of riding because after Kargil the roads were also very good,
Yeah, that's right.
Like previously road बहुत खराब होते थे. अभी मतलब when we went in 2015, that time the road was better.
Better, but it was heavy rains at that time.
Yeah. So that route was sensible. So we took that route. And along with it, I took biking gear wise. I had all the biking gears like first thing first is the security. So I had all the safety gears like jacket, boots, shin guard, all those guards. And also along with that, bikes related, accessories like if you need spare parts also like plug, wire, cable, all those things like fuse, oil, tube.
So Renu, you also had the same kind of gear?
Yeah.
So कैसे एकदम alien लगता है ना सब कुछ pilot वगैरह या cricket player.
That was important because we had like fallen couple of times.
Yeah, we fell couple of times during this whole trip. So it was very helpful. So I got sprain in my ankle also, even though I was wearing boots and everything. So otherwise, like there are all type of services. Like we were carrying our first aid kits and everything, but luckily, like even in the system by government, there are few doctors and all these setups placed up all over the way. Our breaks. So we got support from there also. Like he gave me a painkiller injection and put my sprain properly, and it was good to go. So no such issues like if you get hurt and you cannot continue or something like that.
Okay, so how was the feeling after reaching all the places like Nubra, Kargil, Zojila? So how was the feeling?
Like so when we were moving on the route, like we met so many people. They said which was that? Thar Dungla and all these routes are very risky. And especially when we go to Jammu,
people actually makes you scared about these routes, like because if you are traveling alone, like later on what happened, we were only on one bike. Because लोग बहुत होते हैं ना, so वो बहुत फर्क पड़ता था. मतलब when you actually do it on yourself, you see it's not that difficult. People actually make it more worse for you. By saying it.
Right. Psychological pressure.
हाँ, तो वो unnecessary का बहुत लोग बोलते हैं वहाँ.
In fact, Jojila we didn't find.
Jojila was like wasn't that difficult.
It was smooth for us.
सोनमर्ग में जब हम लोग शुरू करने वाले थे ना, तो हमको काफी लोगों ने बोला था जोजिला पास पे इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है, ट्रक्स वगैरह नहीं आ रहे हैं, बारिश ज्यादा है and all that. But we just went through it. Like हमको तो realize भी नहीं हुआ जोजिला कभी क्रॉस हुआ.
Okay, but right now roads are good now. Like last year I was there.
Yeah.
So roads are
now
good.
it's very good. Yeah.
So do you get a network over there?
Yeah, Rajesh is asking.
Yeah. So on this complete entire route.
No, so not on the entire route. You might get network till Sonmarg or ahead of Srinagar for like 100 odd kilometers. But after Jojila, you will not find that. And later on, you will find network mostly in Leh. Other than that, usually you don't find network. But I think nowadays Jio works better there.
Yeah.
No. So last year, see, this is what I'm saying. Abhi, last I had gone to Spiti. अभी बहुत improvement हो गया. This we are talking about 2015 bike ride.
Okay.
अभी तो everywhere you got this thing.
Yes, last year I got stuck in Kargil, but there was a network. And the roads were good.
Even last year we went to Chadar track. We had network all the time there.
Oh, fantastic. So you have led me to other this thing. Other story.
Not on the track, Dada.
Not on the track, but Leh में भी काफी था अच्छा खासा.
So now that you have mentioned about Chadar trek.
Yeah.
So what was it? Chadar trek is quite famous nowadays. It's like because the mountaineers on the top.
Yeah.
I have to do Chadar trek. So how's the Chadar trek?
Chadar trek is awesome. Like
It's amazing. And everybody should do it at least once.
Like we did once. I had gone in 2017, which I couldn't complete because of the weather. So then 2019, last year, we both decided we'll go together.
Okay.
So last year when we went together, I was able to complete the track. Like we were able to complete the entire track.
But from where you approach Chadar trek?
See, so there are a lot of people who do the booking on Chadar.
A lot of
Like
individuals.
there are a lot of agencies, there are a lot of people who does the booking.
Okay.
And this year though even we offered that. Organizing track for people. So what you do is you get your booking done through like there are these agencies, these adventure companies, those travel companies nowadays. Most of these people are. दादा क्या ढूंढ रहे हो?
मैं दूसरा हैंडस्फ्री ढूंढ रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे वॉइस एको हो रहा है ना. So you continue.
Yeah. So we booked it through a friend who's working in Leh only. So we booked it through, and then you have to fly in Leh. Like usually in winters you have to fly in Leh. There is no other route available. So it's good that you decide very early. So हम लोगों ने जैसे जुलाई अगस्त में decide कर लिया था we'll do the Chadar track this year. So we decided on the dates and we booked the tickets accordingly.
Okay.
And then once the booking and everything, like our confirmation happened from the friend of mine for the Chadar track. Then I got my tickets also booked in August itself, so that I got cheap ticket. The rates were like very.
So how many days the Chadar trek is?
See, it's overall 6 days track, 6 to 7 days track. But nowadays, the government have there have been regulations. So what happens is when you reach Leh, you cannot get acclimatized immediately.
Okay.
So now what they have done is mandatory 3 days stay in Leh. When you reach there, you have to spend 3 days in Leh to acclimatize with the environment.
Okay.
Over there with the altitude and everything, because it's extreme winter. Temperature is like minus 15, minus 20, minus 25 degrees. It goes like that. In city itself.
Okay.
So Leh में भी temperature minus 20 तक चला जाता है. So you have to be prepared that way. So what they do is 3 days you have to spend in Leh. उसके बाद में 5 दिन का track होता है.
Okay.
For 3 days you go towards the they have waterfall. What was the name of the waterfall? Neera. Yeah. So on the track, Chadar track is basically right. It starts from Tib. No, not Tib. So they have the Chadar base camp. I'm forgetting the name of the place. So the base camp to Nerak is the complete track.
Okay.
Nerak is a waterfall which is frozen waterfall. So that is the end of the track.
Oh, okay.
And from there, 2 days of coming back. So basically, 3 days you spend in Leh, 5 days you spend on trek. and then another one day you spend in Leh again just for relaxing yourself, and then you can fly again the next day. So basically in all 9 to 10 days is enough for this track.
Okay, it's good for Mumbai people because they can take a 1 week off and they can go for this thing.
Not 1 week off, you have to actually
You
factor
need
in.
10 days at least.
See, I'll tell you, you have to honestly factor in the weather also, because weather can be unpredictable in those areas. So it's always good to have 3 to 4 days extra in your hand. Because like in 2017 when I went, because of the rough weather, I got stuck there for 7 days.
Oh.
Flights ही नहीं चलते.
Oh, okay.
और जो पहले का piling up होता रहता है, वो लोग पहले उनको clear करते हैं. So then it's very important you have 3-4 extra days and then go. Because I remember very clearly it actually helped me that I didn't have the immediate flight tickets, return tickets. I had 3-4 days का gap, so then I was able to extend it.
Okay. And
Because वहाँ पर क्या होता है, ज़्यादा होटल भी चालू नहीं होते हैं.
Okay. Now, how much is the cost for Chadar trip?
See, nowadays it cost चादर तो within under 20 हो जाता है.
Sorry.
ट्रैक का कॉस्ट सिर्फ 20,000 के अंडर हो जाता है.
Oh, is that? That's cheap. That's cheap. Quite cheap.
That's cheap. That's cheap because you have to stay, share your rooms, and all those things are there. But then it's decent enough. Like you can actually it's not very uncomfortable also.
Okay. And
Trekkers don't look for comfort, I suppose.
Yeah.
so do they give or do provide everything like boots and
See, they provide, but they
clothing?
charge for all those things.
Okay, extra charge.
So I am like, agar if you are just going for one time, then it's might as well take everything on rent.
Okay.
But like जैसे हमारे केस में कैसा होता है, we use those things like we keep on going. मैं winter में अभी पिछले 5 साल से तो ले I think 3-4 बार चला ही गया हूँ.
फिर ठीक है.
हाँ, तो then you need those jackets. So those jackets are costly. See, I'll tell you what are the costly. The equipments are costly in a way. Jackets are costly, down jackets, because they come for 10 to 12,000 rupees.
Okay.
And if you are taking snow boots and all, proper snow boots and all, if you will go for snow tracking boots, they'll come for 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 rupees minimum. And that I am talking about अपना Decathlon.
Okay.
And मजे की बात पता है क्या है दादा, वहाँ पर ना वो यूज भी नहीं होता है. वहाँ पर आपको काम आएंगे 400 रुपए के गम बूट.
Okay.
So the best thing is you go with your own things and you can get these on rent. Down jackets and everything you get on rent. But see, even in city the temperature is -10, -15. So down jackets come in handy, or you wear warmer and all those things.
So Renu, for you, it was a completely different experience than Sahyadri Trek. Because you are used to going to Ladakh on a bike. But Trek is a completely different ball game.
It's completely different. You have to be very conscious while walking. You cannot be like when we do treks in nearby in Mumbai, we are still enjoying ourselves along with the group and everything. But when you are doing Chadar trek, you are more responsible. Even for the people who are walking in ahead of you and behind of you. Like you are basically guiding the person who's walking behind you where exactly which trail to follow on that frozen river. Because if the river is not frozen and you step on the wrong place, there are chances that the ice is going to break, the chadar is going to break, and you can fall into the water, which is it's kind of killing there. You have to save yourself. You have to follow the right trail to avoid accidents, basically. It's not a life-risking thing if you are aware and conscious and following the things properly.
So there are guides over there to guide you for which is the right way, which are right route.
Yeah, so they divide each group, and each group has a team of guides with them. Amongst those guides, there are people who are carrying your tents and all the required things. And there are a couple of people who are actually showing you the trail and telling you how to figure out the movements. What exactly you should put your step at and what you should avoid, what you should look before putting your next step. and how you should be walking exactly to not to slip on the frozen chadar. Because basically what happens, if you fall down and people behind you are not looking at you, then there are a lot of people who are going to fall down at the same time, and that is risky for the chadar, you know. Basically the chadar is going to break.
Okay.
It's like that.
See, there are two different kind of problems there. एक होता है hypothermia.
हाँ.
So अगर आपको बारिश, अगर आप जैसे वहाँ पानी में गिर गए, पानी के अंदर गिर गए, तो you have to immediately change. So you have to carry your own set of clothing changes and all those things as a, like, to negate the risk. But the thing is, if you are not aware about your surroundings, if you are not aware about, you know, where you are going, and if you are not following the right kind of orders, then it can become very tricky. Because in these places now, people go as per whatever they are hearing from the people ahead. So जो रिटर्न आ रहे हैं ना, लोग उनसे अगर सोच रहे हैं, और वो लोग ना बहुत सारा माइंडसेट बदल देते हैं. Because it's extreme. See, the problem is extreme weather. So it's testing you not just physically, it is also testing you mentally.
Okay.
Because आप आपका हाथ जेब से बाहर नहीं निकाल सकते हो, या अपने ग्लव्स में से नहीं निकाल सकते हो, because उंगलियां काली हो गई अगर, तो हाइपोथर्मिया के साइन स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं वहाँ पे. So it's challenging, but it's very, you know, making you aware about yourself. It is like कि आपका survival is the only thing which you are looking for there, and reaching the point.
But are you people anchored together, like kind of with a rope or something? Because one falls down, then other can directly fall.
There is no climb as such. See, you have to only climb in like certain situation where if you don't have the river chadar is not there, like the river is not frozen from certain points, then only you have to climb the mountain.
Okay.
So in our case, you know what happened luckily is like only one or two places we had to do that, but we didn't have to climb. We have to venture inside the water.
Oh.
So we took our shoes off. We have like icy cold water. We have walked.
Okay.
That was just a few steps, and immediately
It's like almost So
other person is ready with a tissue paper to wipe off your feet, and then you get into your socks and boots and get ready for the next step.
Because it's like the more you are exposed in the that cold air, it's gonna create that kind of.
But the thing, like there are a lot, as you said, no, a lot of people are going towards the Chadar trek and exploring it and want to go.
Yeah, right.
When we reached the base camp and I looked at the crowd around, I was like, are you serious? I've left Mumbai for this crowd and I'm going to trek with so many people.
Oh, so Mumbai ki platform ki
No, yeah, it was so crowded. It didn't feel like a base camp. It felt like it's just another village.
Like Everest का कैसे होता है आजकल base camp?
But then when we started, like they divide you in the groups, and then when we started, first night, all the groups were going together, following the same route as per the Chadar trek norms and everything. Next day, it was 26th January, flag hoisting and everything is happening, and then we get to know people who are returning from Nerak, they're saying the Chadar is broken. So it's difficult to continue. So you people have to go back. Most of the groups returned back to Leh city. They didn't continue with their Chadar trek. There were only two groups left. Later on, the second group also, half of the people said they are not going. Only 4 people were left from that group. They followed again with us. So basically, only one group continued towards Nerak, and that was ours. So
going all the way to Leh and returning back from halfway. That's pathetic thing.
Yeah.
Problem is there, no? See, क्या होता है ना वहाँ पर there are a lot of people who are changing your mind. See, they are saying their own experience. If they are finding it difficult, they'll make your mind go, okay, this is very tough. First thing. Second thing, what happens is there's a lot of rumors happens around, which I think locally people also do it nowadays because they don't want to carry them all the way.
Okay.
So कैसा होता है? So, a lot of porters and all they do is वो डरा देते हैं groups को.
Right.
कि आगे risky है, नहीं जा सकते हैं, ऐसा है वैसा है. But our guide was like really good. So he said कि मैं आपको, आप लोग अगर चल लोगे तो मैं आपको करा दूंगा नेरक तक. हमने कहा हम चलेंगे, हम कर लेंगे. तो फिर उसने पूरा वो, it was smooth sailing there.
So उनको तो पैसा मिल गया, उनको तो पैसा मिल गया, गाइड को तो पैसा मिल गया, अभी तुम लोग निकल जाओ.
हाँ, अब नहीं जाना है तो आपकी चॉइस है, और जाना है तो मैं लेके जाऊंगा.
No, but they were very supportive, and like when they saw that we really want to go there and we have not just come for an entertainment thing, they really supported each and everybody, like waking them up in the morning, and if they're not feeling well, then pushing up them, motivating them with everything, whatever they could do their best, and everything in time, everything in time. Like we never felt, after a while we never felt that we are out of the place. This is not the route which we are supposed to walk or something. It was really amazing, really amazing. It felt like a family away from something city-less place, and they were very caring. So I remember the name of the guide also. It was Dadul, and seriously, that was the only group which could take people till Lerak in the broken chadar, making them climb. There was a very small waterfall which we had to actually climb from the top, and it was risky to slip from there. But everybody, like, it worked as a team, almost 24 people, and it was it felt like when we came back, it felt like, oh, it was very easy. No, it's not. You have to be very aware.
I'll tell you what, I think हम लोगों का ट्रैकिंग एक्सपीरियंस है ना, जो अपन लोगों का, that helps a lot. When you do track like this, no, these kind of things help a lot. What we do, no, in tracking, the way we have like disciplined everyone,
Following LV.
like we follow all kind of rules and everything, properly.
So
those kind of scenario it helps a lot.
In our track, Ashutosh actually became the leader for that chadar track.
So he was
And everybody was like, aap jaisa bologe, we'll do the same thing.
So he was
Whatever time you want us to leave, we'll be ready.
So after looking back at all adventures you did in life, so you have any more adventures in bucket list?
Yeah, there's a lot of bucket list. अभी तो चालू ही किया है हम लोग.
अभी तक दादा कोरोना ने full stop लगा दिया ना?
नहीं वो ठीक है. That's a comma I can say.
I have taken a place in Kasol. I had taken, you know that, right?
Yeah, okay.
So
that
we were actually planning in those things only. But अभी कुछ मतलब कोरोना के कारण सब बंद हो गया, टाइप हो गया. We had to let go of the place also.
No, that is fine. That's a temporary stop.
Now next we are gonna do a 4-wheel drive. India to London.
Oh my goodness. बहुत टाइम है, बहुत
Let's plan, Dada.
बहुत
India to London on 4 wheels.
So tell me, you people work together, you have business partners, and how do you manage all this on the way? Like kind of going managing business and this one also.
Yeah, so how we manage is like we have to balance it out. So what we do is we plan like few trips together, and we also plan like 1 or 2 trips together, or we plan like individual trips also.
So whatever is possible, plan accordingly and do it.
Oh, that's nice.
He's able to go alone, he goes. If it's me, then I go, or we go together.
इसके लिए अभी तक तो डाइविंग ट्रिप पे आई नहीं हम लोग के साथ.
तो डाइव इसने एक्सपीरियंस किया, बट शी कांट डू इट बिकॉज़ उसको कान में दिक्कत होता है.
हाँ.
अरे
Altitude problem.
उसको इक्वलाइजेशन
And
का
I
बहुत
don't know
सीरियस
how
प्रॉब्लम.
to swim properly, so that comfort does not come. I've tried it only once. Maybe
So
I can try it again, but I didn't get a chance to do it.
Okay, so can you tell us about this thing, your scuba diving?
Yeah, I think we will do that. Scuba diving.
So can you tell us about?
You going
Tell us
back to
about your
Andaman, I'll come along.
Yeah, you come along with me.
इसने तो बहुत diving कर लिया, मेरा ही बाकी है ना.
हाँ, so वो पैचअप करना बाकी है, वो कैचअप करना बाकी है तुम्हारे लिए.
हाँ.
No, so the thing is that you can, Ashutosh, can you tell us about your scuba diving thing?
Yeah. So scuba diving. So scuba diving, you remember how it started? I first experienced that in Bali. And like we both went together Bali. Like our honeymoon, I said it was all adventure activity. So first time I did scuba diving in Bali.
Okay. So just a sec, guys. We are going to again start this session if it is disconnected. because 5 minutes someone has given a warning. Sheetal has given me a warning of 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We will start again for 5 minutes. We'll just try this luck now. So if we get like kind of if we get disconnected and we won't be able to join, then we'll talk. So I'll just tell you if we can't get disconnected, I'll tell you what our next session is. So next session is our Kanchan, one of the leaders, is going to tell us about her trekking stories, about her BMC life, and post BMC life. So that's the thing. We are going to have it on Sunday. So please join us for our next live session. So Ashutosh, please continue.
Yeah. So scuba diving, I first did in Bali. Then we planned for it together. Pondicherry में आप और मैं दोनों ही गए थे एक हफ्ते के लिए.
Right.
We did our certification in advanced scuba ka, advanced open water diving. So from there, I really like it in Bali when first we experienced it. And I remember my instructor said not to let go, and then I was chasing a turtle when I saw that in it was like Bali, you have very good visibility. So everything was clearly visible in long distance. So I was just feeling like swimming in the entire time and wasn't that much aware about all the other smaller stuff which we learned later on. तो पौंडी में जब हमने कोर्स किया तो उसके बाद से मेरा चस्का थोड़ा बढ़ गया था. So I ensure कि I do scuba diving every month. अभी मैं recently I had gone to Thailand. Pattaya में I did scuba there last. And उसके पहले मैंने गोवा में ही किया था. So scuba diving as of now I'm again doing it just for recreational way, learning my thing, and hopefully gradually I come to you only for my professional and other courses then. Because I'll be surely starting it again. In this 1 year, last year was a bit of leg period for me where I didn't do much scuba diving. But coming here will do much. No, You only came to Goa for one dive, two dives, couple of dives with me. Goa when I had come to you, right? So then Goa, and then after that I did it in Thailand only.
Oh, Thailand only. But Thailand is a fantastic.
Yeah. Thailand. So I get 5 or 6 dives in a year. I need to increase these numbers now.
So Renu, are you planning to join us, right? Next time for diving?
Are you going to join us next time?
Yeah. But if we both will not be able to travel together, whom will you choose to take along?
Zip. I can't say that. I'll talk to you in
private. Yeah, हमको decide करना है ना.
So in private I'll talk to you. Whom I'll choose? तू बाकी बची मेरे लिए मेरे साथ travel करने के लिए. So guys, this is the next adventure in their list. Diving continues, scuba continuing. Renu planning to learn more adventures, this open water and also open water courses. So guys, if you have any queries about scuba diving, do let us know about Chadar Trek, do let us know Ladakh Bike Trip. We are there to help you out. So whoever it is there online, there in every aspect of adventure sports. So these all we are like kind of full of adventure stories and everything. So do let us know about your adventure inquiries or adventure business. So we are there to help you out, give information and everything. So we'll work it out. How to work it out, we'll find out. Yeah?
Surely, anybody wants any information on anywhere actually in India, they can anytime ask us.
Yeah.
And even Dada.
Are there any questions? Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah? No. Okay. So we'll. It's 22 seconds left. Ashutosh, just stay there. I'll just want to check whether we can go live again. Just I want to do the test session. So we'll wait for 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, guys, for joining us. So.